takes me about 12 minutes to get here. I can head back and you can call me, or if you don't think it's gonna take long, I'll hang around. It's up to you.
Well, it might not take too long.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart and put a new thermocoupling in it, because I'm sure it needs one. You should have to replace that every year. And then it should light, and if that lights, we should be pretty good. I'll just, we have to, you said the second floor is not working. We'll see if it's a circulator or if it's a thermostat or if it just needs air adjustment. Boy, thing needs a cleaning. It's filthy. I'm just going to put a new thermocoupling in. This thing is filthy. I'm sure that thermocoupling needs to be replaced. Take that loose there. Yeah, definitely needs to be replaced. Wow. Good stuff. Let's see. Where's my little screwdriver? There it is. I'm gonna pull these burners real quick. All right, so let's go get a thermocoupling. These things never want to work. Let's see, gas is turned off. Huh. What if that's why they couldn't light the pilot? What if they have gas? Maybe that's the issue. These people just moved in. What if they changed? Gonna have to call a service call. Yes. All right. Well, let's see if there's gas coming out. Fighting me every inch of the way. There we go. Well, it's definitely gas. Okay. That's not the issue then. So, let's do this. It might be a plugged line. So, all right. Well, we know it's good down to there. So So let's screw this back on. It might be a plugged orifice. I blew through it. I did get some air out of it. Of course, if my lighter would stay lit. Seems like, and that's a brand new one. Seems like no matter when you buy those stupid things, they never want to work. Hey, there we go. Let's try that. Let's see what we got here. Pilot. There we go. Alright, ready? And it stayed on. Good deal. Alright. Circulator's not running though. Alright, let's turn this to on. See what happens. There's no, yeah, there is a draft damper. Okay, well, the pilot's staying lit. That's a plus. Alright, so let's, what do we got here? We've got two zones. Alright, well, let's make one call. Okay, the damper's moving. Exhaust damper. And let's see if we get a fire. Hey, fire. Okay. Two-stage gas valve. Shut this off. Put this back and check that out in a minute, but let's see. They put insulation on here. This boiler uses insulation behind this cover, so it does produce a lot of heat. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. There. Turn it back on. Well, jump out the thermostat wire anyway. Oops. Okay. Damper up there is opening. It's an old stack damper. And it should fire. There it goes. It should go into high fire. Beautiful. Oh, that's much better. Okay. We've got 10 pounds of water pressure. And let's see if we can jump out that other thermostat. Might be airbound, or may have a bad circulator. I'm not sure which one's running right now. Or it might be a bad circulator. That's an oldie. That is an oldie. Alright, so there's the other thermostat up here. So I'm going to shut off the zones. Make it get hot. I'm Gonna jump out the other thermostat wire. And I'll check the thermostats later, but for now, save me running up 2 stores. I'm just gonna do it now. Here. There we go. There's the other circulator. This one I can hear. This one I can't. Let's see. Where's my screwdriver? That one's running. That one's running too. Good. Yep. Okay. You know, the easy way to tell the circulator's running is just take a tip from the mechanics. Put a screwdriver on the pump and listen to it with your ear, and you can hear the sound will travel right up through the screwdriver, and you can hear if it's running or not. I mean, obviously, taking the covers off, checking for electricity, checking for amperage, that's good, and that's what you're supposed to do, and that's what we will do, but just to see if it's running, it's quick and easy. So what I'm going to do now is let the boiler get hot. Then I'm going to open up the returns. Now I can hear it. Hear the air coming back. So this zone right here, that's hot. You can hear all the air in there. Feeder doesn't work. Oh boy. Okay, I got it running. It's up to temperature now. I'm just letting it circulate because you're not getting heat on either floor. This.
Well, the pipes are warming up upstairs. I can hear them ticking
Yeah, on one zone.
on the first floor.
This one,
Upstairs.
it was low on water. I know it's low on water, and this isn't circulating as well as it should. This should be the main floor, and it's just not going around. It might be piped differently. I don't know, but that's wide open right there. Feel that? Feel just warm. And
This is the first floor, second floor.
I don't know. Typically, it would be the second floor, but it just depends upon how they piped it. I got them both jumped out right now. But the circulator is running. It should be running. They should be hot, and it's not. So feel this one here. How ice cold it is. That's the other zone, and then you've got it over here. That's nice and hot. So let me open that up and see if that comes back hot.
So the first floor was getting, you can feel the heat on the first floor.
Yeah, it's really low on water because this was frozen. It wasn't allowing any, that's your water feeder, and no water was going into it. So I just took see it's getting hot now. I just took some pliers and freed that up so the water started flowing into it. You couldn't even do that by hand. It was frozen solid. Oh yeah, I feel this now. I was getting hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not sure which floor that is, but I'll open this one up. See, it's just... Now, this might be the second floor. It might be airbound.
That's what,
It's a possibility.
Brian thought.
Yeah, well, it was low on water, so it wasn't circulating at all. That was the problem. You were just barely getting trickling through it. But both circulators seem to be running, but that don't mean... I've seen the impellers on there are just nylon. They're little cups of nylon. I've seen those little impellers just break right off. So it still spins, but it's not doing any work because there's nothing to push.
I don't know anything about.
Is there a drain down here? A floor drain? Because I'd purge it out.
I don't know.
There's a sink.
Is this thing? I don't know why they got a toilet out here.
Well, there's a sink right there.
Water in it.
Give it a flush, see what it does. That's a new one. It's like being in a service, just right out in the open.
From Europe. Or
Okay,
something.
and yeah, right. And then we got I wouldn't do that in there. That's too much dirt in there. You could grow. Well, it looks like they were growing. Okay, so let me go get a hose. Make sure it's something else. Sure. Okay, we'll use this hose.
I don't know. I hope it's long enough. 50 feet.
I mean, hope you don't mind another other man using his hose, but I think I need a new blade. Okay. Even comes with a washer, which is really nice. Let's see. I'm gonna do. I think this is the first floor. Yeah, it's still cold. So, is there? Do you know if there are cast iron radiators upstairs, or is it baseboard along the outside wall?
Baseboard.
Baseboard on the wall. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first because this should be the first floor. I'm guessing because it's hot and now. All right. I mean, we just got into well, that's crimped right there. That hose. I hope that doesn't cause a problem. Nice. Well,
Sounds a lot.
well, we'll give it some hot water and we'll see what happens. Okay, if you would man the hose just so it doesn't pop out the toilet. Okay, you ready? Here it comes. Oh yeah, there's air. Are you getting it?
Yeah, now it's going. Yeah, it's small pretty good. A little bit of pink. Yeah, we're on still. Wow.
Well, that's a good thing. Now you should be able to squeeze that out with that hot water. Okay. All right, I'm going to shut it off. That's one. We're going to do the next one. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. You're going to get all kinds of air out of this one. Oh, yeah. Hear it. Is it black?
Oh, yeah, it's wicked work.
Tell me when it starts to clear up.
No, it's working. It's coming through, but now it's a steady flow.
Yeah, is the water clear now?
Oh, no.
All right. Tell me when it runs clear.
Getting lighter. Very close.
Okay, we're gonna call it good right there. Oh, here comes a little more. Hold on.
The first place you had, it was still dark, the water.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Just hold it there.
Now,
I'm gonna let it build up pressure. Okay, here we go. There's still some air in there.
that's pretty clear. Yeah, that's clear.
Okay. Okay, keep it there. Okay. Shut that off. Let's open up the other one. The other one's already hot. There we go. We got it. So it's hot coming back. So the only thing I want to try now, though, is make sure that the I got them jumped out down here, thermostats. So I want to make sure the thermostat actually turns the heat on. Okay? So what I'd like for you to do, if you would go to both, because neither one are calling right now. Let me unclip these. Okay, that's the second floor. And then let me do the first floor over here. And then what I have you do is go up to your thermostats and turn them up, each one of them up to like 80 degrees.
Turn it up to 80.
Yeah, each one. And we'll make sure each one comes.
Horizontal.
Yeah, you can hit the first floor, go up to the second floor, and then just wait. Or I tell you what, hit the second floor and then come down and do the first floor, and wait for me to say okay, and then you can go put them where you want to.
And then just wait.
And yeah, put them where you want to. Well, I wouldn't leave. I don't know if you heard me.
Both sitting at 80.
Okay, yep, they're both working, so you can put them wherever you want. They're working good. All right, so I put a new thermocoupling in, this here. All right, that's why the pilot wouldn't stay in. So did that, lit it. I took your burners. The thing really should be cleaned. It's really, you can see all the stuff down in there. I wanted to get you heat right now, but it really is probably never been cleaned. I would give me a call and we can schedule it where it's not an emergency type of thing. We set an appointment, come down, and I just go through everything and clean it really good, make sure. But the feeder's working now. That wasn't working. The pilot wasn't working. I got that going. I turned this down a little bit because it was a little bit too high, getting too hot. And now the water's coming in and we purged it and got it all up and running for you. Okay. Okay, those are open. That was all set.